Good morning, students. We'll be doing lesson number 1, Our Body, today. The objectives of the lesson are the human body, different organs and organ system, and functions of different organs. Students, as we have know that our body is the most wonderful machine in the world. It is able to perform many functions at any given time. There are different organs in our body which have specific functions. What does specific function means? Like our nose is used to smell things. Our ears help us to listen to our favorite music. Eyes help us to see this beautiful world. Legs help us to walk and run. Hands help us to hold things and write, etc. Some of these organs we are able to see with our eyes. These organs are known as external organs. So, examples are your eyes, your nose, mouth, ears, hands, and your legs. These all are the external organs. Now, students, there are some organs inside your body which are working day and night for your body to work. These organs which we are not able to see are known as internal organs. For example, kidneys, lungs, and your pumping organ, that is heart, brain, liver, the largest internal organ, and the stomach. Internal organs cannot work alone. They cannot work alone, so they group together to perform the specific function. When a group of organs work together to perform a specific function, it is called as organ system. Some organ systems are digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and excretory system. We'll be doing these systems in detail in the following videos. Thank you and have a nice day.